Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can cancel sent friend requests on Facebook. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is open your Facebook, and after opening your Facebook, here you can see the option of friends on the navigation bar right here. If you can't see the friends option right here, you'll need to get to the tab bar and add it right there. So in order to do that, here you'll have to tap on the menu option right here and then get to the settings. From settings, scroll down a bit, you can see the tab bar right here. So from here, if you simply tap on this option, here you can see the option of friends and simply drag the button and then tap on pin, and like that you'll be able to see friends option pinned on your navigation bar of your Facebook. So after doing that, all you have to do is simply tap on friends option, and then from here you'll be able to see the friend request that has been sent to you. So after going to the friends page just like this, you'll be able to see people you may know or friend request that has been sent to you. So if you simply tap on this option, friend request, just like this, currently here you can see I don't have any kind of friend request. But if you tap on this three dot bar on the top right here, you'll get the option of view sent requests. Simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, here you can see these are the two requests that I have sent. So in order to cancel it, simply tap on cancel request just like this. I'm going to cancel this request too. Tap on it, and just like this, here you can see I have now successfully cancelled my sent friend request on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.